Hey, Lake Charles, I am here on a roof and I wanted to show you guys a wind damage. We're trying to put a tarp back on this house and why it happened. One of the things we get from a lot of customers is, why did their house come out okay and my house looks like this? It's the same age shingle, about 2 years old in this case. Use the better shingle, has a good wind warranty. I just chose a crappy shingle. I want to point out right down here, as we came in and we started tarping this thing in, one of the things we find is right along this leading edge, you can see where the installer used a full laminate shingle. They flipped it over instead of using a specialty designed starter strip. Starter strips required to meet the high wind warranty. In this particular case, to make matters worse, it's got a plastic liner there that is designed to keep these from sticking together in the bundle. So as you can see, as we flip down there, this whole thing's loose. Wind comes in, it catches this leading edge, peels the nails, and peeled the roof all the way up. Homeowner's left with a huge deductible, a lot of damage. When doing the correct thing, would have left the roof looking just like this. If you guys have any more questions or want to learn more about the right components to use in the right places, give us a call.